everyone, welcome to Yoga and You. Today we'll be doing the second episode of the thighs series. You must have seen the beginner's version before, and today I'm going to teach you the advanced version of the thighs series called the thighs burst workout. Let us begin by getting into the position correctly. Lie down sideways on your mat. Take support of your elbow. The other hand is down in front of you, the palms facing down. Make sure your knees are on knees, your hip is on hip, your ankle on ankle, and let's get going. This time, we're going to add some power to your workout. Place both your legs just above the floor and then raise the leg which is on top up and down. For 10 counts, start with that and hold for 10. We're going to repeat this for 60 seconds, up and down, for 10 counts, and then hold it for 10. Repeat this on the other side as well. Exercise number 2. Both the legs up again. I'm going to use the leg on the top, slightly away from you, and then start making small circles. This time we are adding power, remember guys. Your breathing is absolutely normal. Feel the burn on your thighs. Clockwise 30 seconds, anti-clockwise 30 seconds. And then hold. The holding gives you that extra push, the extra fat burn that you need. And then slowly come down. Watch the next exercise. Both the legs away from the floor. This time I'm taking my leg up, folding it, opening it and down. My lower leg is just above the mat. Repeat this for 60 seconds and feel a beautiful burn in your thighs. Your breathing is absolutely normal. Easy flowing workout, yet so powerful. Hold it in the end for 10 seconds and then gently come down. Next exercise, the lower leg remains above the ground. I'm going to bring my knee closer to my elbow and then take it back. Repeat this for 60 seconds. And feel a beautiful burn in your thighs. I can actually feel my thigh muscles getting activated without too much pressure on my knees. And then hold for last 10. Do this for 60 seconds and repeat on the other side. Change your position of your legs. Make sure your leg is in a nice 90-degree angle. Even here, I'm going to make sure that both my legs go up and then I bring it down. Both my legs go up and then I bring it down. Repeat. Up and down. Up and down. Up and down. Beautiful. Up and down. Next one, go back to position number 1. This time, watch what I'm doing guys. I'm going to fold my upper leg and open it back and bring it to the first position. Fold and open. Fold and open. Fold and open. Fold and open. Fold and stretch out. Lengthen your legs. Feel the burn. 60 seconds on both sides. Down. Next one, really interesting. I'm going to make a big circle with my leg. Clockwise, 60 seconds. Nice and big. Increase your range of motion. Open up tight muscles. Open up all the muscles that need extra love in your legs. Stop. Same thing, anti-clockwise. Take your leg back this time. Bring it forward. Excellent. Hoo-hoo. Great burn. And then repeat on the other side. Next exercise, watch. I'm changing the position of my hand this time. The other hand is on my head. This time I'm going to bring my knee closer to the elbow and take it back at 45 degrees angle. 10, 9, easy flowing, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, and 1. Repeat the same exercise 60 seconds on your right and left. Watch the next exercise. Both the legs remain up. Go back to position number 1. This time I'm bringing my leg forward, taking it in the center, taking it back, coming back to the center. Forward, center, back, center. Forward, center, back, center. Great. Forward, center, back, center. It's like hitting your muscles from different angles. Beautiful. Keep going. 60 seconds on both sides. And down. Relax. Make sure that you stretch well once you finish these exercises. Take your heel closer to your hip. Push it in nicely and then relax. Thank you so much guys for watching this episode. Hope you all really enjoyed it. Some of you have some questions in your mind as to when Pilates should be done and how often it should be done. I would say Pilates can be done from 10 minutes to about an hour. Start slowly with 10 minutes and slowly get there to an hour. And it can be done twice or thrice in a week minimum. So I have a very nice range where you can understand what exactly I'm trying to say. When you're doing 10 sessions of Pilates, you'll actually feel a difference. When you do 20 sessions, you'll actually see a difference. And when you do 30 sessions, you'll see a completely new you. So guys, always start with the beginner's workout and then come to the advanced version. I would recommend you to do at least a week or 2 weeks of the beginner's workout and then come to the advanced version and get the maximum benefit out of this. Thank you for watching guys. I'll see you all really soon. Hope you all have a great day ahead.